Capital Heating and Cooling has been duct cleaning in our community for over 25 years. This video shows you what to expect when we come to your home to clean your ductwork. As a member of the National Air Duct Cleaners Association, Capital Heating and Cooling follows a strict code of ethics and practices, giving you the added assurance that the job will be done correctly. The first step in the process is to attach our truck-mounted power vac system to your heating and cooling unit with an 8-inch vacuum line. It doesn't matter if the unit is located inside or outside of your residence, in the garage, the basement, the attic, or a crawl space. Once the machine is started, it puts the whole system under negative pressure. If you check the register vents at this time, you will feel a vacuum pool. When we start cleaning out the ductwork, this negative pressure vacuum keeps debris and dust from blowing into the house. At each register, we remove the vent plate and begin snaking one of our agitation tools through the ductwork, pushing everything toward the negative air line. Our agitation tools are attached to a positive pressure line connected to our truck-mounted air compressor. The agitation and 250 pounds of positive air pressure combined with the negative air pressure from the truck-mounted power vac is what cleans the system, all while making sure no dust or debris enters the house. It's all vacuumed directly to our truck. This process is repeated with all the vents inside the house. Once all of the vents are completed, the return side of the system is cleaned. The return side is where the filter is located. With each duct cleaning, we include a free, full maintenance tune-up of your heating and cooling system. The coils, condensate pan, blower motor, and other components, as well as the interior housing, are all cleaned and sanitized. The final step is a system-wide sanitization, including the ductwork. Sanitizers kill germs and inhibit further growth of mold spores, fungi, mildew, bacteria, and algae, significantly improving indoor air quality. Capital Heating and Cooling specializes in residential and commercial air duct cleaning and sanitizing. We also provide dryer vent cleaning and planned maintenance for your entire HVAC system. Capital Heating and Cooling, owned and operated by the Schmidtke family for 3 generations. Please contact us at 360-491-7450 or visit us on the web at www.capitalheatingandcooling.com.